Now we got the rear foot elevated split squat. This is one of my favorite ones. If you're new to this one, keep it at body weight or very light. If you're experienced, you can go heavier. Grab a pad or a pillow for the knee that's gonna go down. Tuck that right to, probably do this at home on your couch like I'm about to on the ottoman here. One weight in each hand. One foot's forward, back foot's gonna rest right here. Just dropping that back knee, then you drive up. So on me, I'm a little weird right now. I wanna adjust. Get forward a little bit. Adjust that back foot. Inhale, exhale. So that feels a lot better. Breathe in. Not just working that front quadricep right there. That's working your thigh. Then you switch. So you just match where that other foot was at. Inhale. Notice my weights aren't moving. They're just weighing me down, making these legs work harder. That's your rear foot elevated split squat.